Hi guys, I just wanted to edit this video and I see that when I wiped my mouth between videos, I left a big lipstick mark on my chin. So now, that's not a pimple, it's just lipstick. And I challenge you to watch the entire video now, not staring at my chin. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my Bella SkinBox, so let's get in and see what's in here. So this is the September Bella SkinBox, and if you are new to Bella, it is a $35 per month subscription of skincare. We generally get 5 products, usually 4 skincare, and then an extra like a tool or something like that. I will put my link below in case you have any interest. It will get you $5 off your first box. So let's see what we got. I really like this skincare subscription. She leans really toward more natural products, and I just really like that. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. And we have our card that will tell us all of the information we need. And look, right on top, I think it's a nice bag covered in lips. How cute is that? And then that's our goodies. So let's just dig right in. So the card tells us, give your skin a little love. Always a good idea. And then on the back, it tells us a little bit about everything we received and their prices, and that our total box value this month is $143. So that's a really good value for $35. So let's just dig right in. Let's look at this bag first. All right, I like this bag. This reminds me of the bag that I received in the AIA Beauty Bundle with the Pearlies. I really like it. It's kind of canvasy instead of plasticky. We've been getting so many plasticky bags lately, although have you guys seen the Ipsy bags look like they're going to be kind of cool this month. And I like the design. This is absolutely something that I would carry, and it's big enough. I carry huge purses because I carry a lot of makeup. And I like the size of this. Look, it's a big square bottom. I mean, you could almost travel with this. I mean, that is a good size bag. Okay, I know, I'm going on and on about a bag. I like the bag. It's also kind of thick and lined. I mean, it's just a nice bag. What can I tell you? The paperwork actually tells us about the bag. It is the Soon Skincare Lips Makeup Bag with a $16 value. I don't know if I came across it in a store, if I would pay $16 for it, partially because I get so many bags in our unboxings. But I don't doubt that it's probably worth $16. It seems like a very nice quality bag. Take your glow on the road. This beauty bag was designed to hold all our products from face masks to eye patches, and it fits neatly into purses and backpacks for additional portability. Add in headphones, lip gloss, and skincare essentials and feel prepared for anything. So that's why it's a little bigger. You know, I was saying it was a little bigger. It's so that it can fit face masks. We're reaching in next, and I'm trying this different. I've tried putting the box in front of me. I know you guys don't care how I do this, but I feel like I'm always turning over here, so I overshare. What can I tell you? Okay, reaching in next. See how handy that was? I didn't have to look away from you guys. I'll get good at this. It's only been 2 years. I'll get better. You'll see. This is a Beauty Nest Plump Me Up Clarifying Face Serum, and it has 1 ounce, and that is what that looks like. So let's read about it and then we'll play with it. Beauty Nest Clarifying Face Serum, $25. The clarifying serum is designed for all skin types. It soothes and calms skin while feeding the skin with DMAE, firming and anti-aging, organic aloe, antioxidants, vitamins E and B3, MSM for brightening. Let me know below if you know what MSM is. Was looking to see on here if it said something. Nope, it literally says MSM. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to Google it, or hope that one of you guys lets me know once I forget to Google it. Hyaluronic acid to retain moisture, as well as tea tree oil, which is antibacterial. Organic green, rooibos, and white teas act as powerful antioxidants. So it's just a serum meant to do a whole bunch for your skin. So let's get some out. Ooh. It's just a nice creamy serum. Okay, let's get it rubbed in. It smells nice. It smells just kind of like lotion, like a clean lotiony scent. There's something a little bright to it though. I don't smell the tea tree. Sometimes when things smell of tea tree, they bother me a little bit, but I don't smell the tea tree in this at all. It smells pretty good. All right, reaching in next, I have the Marley Sophia Refresh Clay Mask. And this is one of those clay masks that comes powdered. It's just a powder in there. And now I've stirred it up really well, so when I open it, it says it is filled with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, and it's beneficial for acne, eczema, psoriasis, and itchy skin. The paperwork on it says the Marley Sophia Naturals Refresh Clay Mask has a $20 value. Soak up excess oils while generating cell turnover to reveal a softer, smooth, and refreshed complexion. Ingredients like French clay, bentonite clay, organic matcha, organic honey, and alfalfa. So this says that you just put half a teaspoon of this into the liquid of your choice. They say water, yogurt, avocado, or honey. You mix it until it is a paste consistency, then apply it to your face and neck and let it dry, then rinse with warm water. I kind of want to try that with everything they've listed. Yogurt, honey, that all sounds so interesting. Reaching in next, we have Soon, and it is the Soon Peony Foot Mask. I am thrilled to receive this and a little bummed. When I saw this in the spoilers, I looked it up and it has licorice root extract in it. So I'm going to be passing some of these along. I'll probably split them up and put them in things. But let me tell you a little bit about it because I love the Soon products. Like the face mask from last month, it is fantastic. I love the Soon products. They just happen to use licorice root, and I happen to be the only weirdo allergic to licorice. All right, so this says Soon Skincare Peony Foot Mask 5-pack, $45. So they're $9 a piece. Hydrate and soothe feet without stopping your day. Easy to use booties use an inner layer to infuse feet with a serum, while the outer layer allows for walking and treating feet at the same time. See, you can multitask. Peony extract penetrates even the most weathered, cracked feet to deeply nourish dry, tough skin. So I know the first thing I'm going to do is probably pass one of these along to my mom. I bet she will love this. And last but not least, I have the Tropical Naturals Hair Sealant. And that is what the box looks like. I love these products. I am using, I don't know if you can tell yet, I am using their scalp treatment. Once, usually twice a week. I use it at night, and then in the morning when I wash my hair, it washes out. It is just their scalp treatment. And I feel like it is really helping my hair. I feel like it's softer and smoother. It doesn't want to break as much, I don't think. My scalp feels really good. I don't generally have scalp problems. Like I don't have dandruff or dry scalp or anything like that. And yet there's something about it now that just feels, you know how sometimes like when you pull your hair up too much, which I do sometimes, it almost, I don't want to say it hurts because it doesn't really hurt, but you can just feel the discomfort on your scalp. I'm telling you, my scalp is happy. I feel like my hair is happy and breaking less. That is not this product. It is this brand's scalp treatment. Let's read about this product. Stay on point, Kath. Okay, this is the hair sealant. It says straight dash wavy, and it is 2 fluid ounces. Let's get in the bottle. And that is what that looks like. Let me tell you what it says. Tropical Naturals Straight Wavy Sealant, $37 value. Shake before each use. Apply the desired amount of product, starting off with 1 pump, and rub into freshly washed hair, avoiding the roots, and comb through. If pairing with other products, use as the last step to seal in moisture. Use daily to refresh your style and tame your frizz. Use sparingly. A little goes a long way. If you feel 1 pump is not enough once your hair is dry, increase the amount slowly and comb through until you reach your desired look and feel. So it's just a hair oil. And it is organic, vegan, has no preservatives, and is cruelty-free. It is just, and I will read you the ingredients list because that's what I love about these products. It is argan nut oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, lemon essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. That is it. And rosemary is really good for your hair and scalp. I am just really loving this brand's hair products. Okay, that is my Bella SkinBox for September, and I think it's another great one. So we received this nice bag, which is Soon, and we received the Soon Peony Foot Masks. We got the Tropical Hair Sealant, the Beauty Nest Plump Me Up Clarifying Face Serum, and the Marley Sophia Refresh Clay Mask that is dry, and you can put in anything from water to yogurt to honey. I really can't wait to try that. And our box had a $143 value. So it is a $35 box. And again, if you have any interest, I will put the link and my code below that will get you $5 off your first box. So thank you guys so much for coming by. I hope you're having a great day. Please like. I hope you will consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Take care, guys.